Okay, let's solve the fabric excess problem. You might want to look at the video for the fabric yards problem that we just made because we're going to use it here. We write a function, fabric excess, that takes a certain number of inches of fabric desired, just like the last problem. Only now, instead of saying how many yards you have to purchase, we have to say how many excess inches you have to buy. Because remember, you buy fabric in whole yards. So if I buy I need 1 inch of fabric, I have to buy a whole yard of fabric, and that gave me 35 extra inches. And if I buy, say, 36 inches, I buy exactly a yard, and then there's no extra. So it's the leftover when I'm done with the fabric I wanted. Okay, straightforward. I'm going to copy this code, and I'm going to go here. I'm saving our fabric yard solution, actually. Okay, I just added this to it. I'll put this code up. We could put it here. I'm going to put it a little higher. And put it under here. And we'll get rid of that one. We only need one fabric yard solution. Okay. So if I run this, fabric yards works fine, but fabric excess doesn't. Of course it doesn't. We have this 42 here. So here's a case where if we didn't have fabric yards, we could solve fabric excess from first principles, no problem. But because we have fabric yards, we can use it as a helper function here to make the solution to fabric excess much easier, okay? Because if we go back here and look, okay, if you buy, say 37 inches is what you want. Well, you have to buy 2 yards for 37 inches, okay? 2 yards. The excess is 35, but the way we know that is you had to buy 72 inches, 2 yards, 72 inches. And then you only wanted 37. So the difference between the 72 you had to buy and the 37 that you wanted will be the excess, 35. Let's do that one more time. I only wanted to buy 35 inches, but I had to buy a whole yard. That's 36 inches. The difference between the 36 I bought and the 35 I wanted is the one excess. And now we know how to solve this problem. All right? So what you do is you tell me how many yards did I have to buy. Right here, I just used fabric yards as a helper method, or helper function. So now, if I had to buy that many yards, I had to buy that many inches. But I only wanted that many inches. And the difference is going to be the excess. And that works, and that is that.